Businesses of any size may borrow up to $2 million. For what purpose? To repair or replace disaster property damage. In a disaster declaration environment, we as well assist homeowners and renters. You should submit your SBA disaster loan application even if you're not sure if you will need it later. But how you can know if you're eligible for that, you have to follow the step. First, register with FEMA, and then apply for a federal low interest disaster loan with the SBA. If the SBA offers you a loan, you are not obligated to take the loan, but at least you know the options that you have on your hand to start the recovery process.
Absolutely. Even if a household doesn't think they're eligible for FEMA or state resources, there is a myriad of resources to support survivors of all kinds. And so we typically just encourage people to apply. There's also an appeal process that people should follow, but don't assume that you're not eligible. Go through the process, and you may be surprised by the outcome.
Certainly, these are complex and challenging disasters, and we mourn the lives of more than 21 people who have passed, but truly we are heartened by the work that all of you do locally to support one another, and we know that together we will get through this as a state and as a community of people doing work.